Hi everybody, my name is Susana Lopez and today we're going to be working with paper umbrellas and paper fans. And so what we need today, these are the materials. We need a fan, paper fan. They're very easy to find in your local arts and crafts. We can also use an umbrella, these cute umbrellas, you see. We need some acrylic colors, different types, and we need some color ink. We need your brushes, water, and your palette. Maybe we need a pencil to do some sketching. So we're going to start with our fan. We're going to work with ink and we're going to do a little bit of a Jackson Pollock with it. We're going to drop some ink and do some splatter paint and see how it works. What I did here is I put my ink colors into little bottles so I can control the flow. So I'm going to just start with a green color and do little droplets. Extend it as much as possible and we control the drops. Maybe some overlapping. You know what color will look very nice on top of green and blue? That's right, yellow. And so once we're happy with the colors that we have used, we're just gonna let it dry there. Okay, so we're going to continue with the abstract. And for this, I'm going to use some acrylic paint and I'm gonna use this little roller, okay? This is really fun to do. Again, you choose whatever colors you want. So you give it a dot here. You wanna have some blue, a little bit of green, pink. I'll put it there with my red. The white color is going to mix all my colors. So I go around it. I take my roller and I go around it. Mixing the colors. Look how beautiful this is. Isn't it gorgeous? Try to leave a line on top. You see this white part here? Because it looks very pretty too. With abstract painting, you can never get tired. Every day you see something different. That's why I love abstract so much. Let it dry. Okay, as you can see in this umbrella, I already did a beautiful durian and I used the little top, you know, as the top of the durian. For the durian, what you do is you make a spiky sort of circle, and then after you color the green, you make little spikes on top. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now is a hibiscus right here on the side. I also did a little mangosteen. So the hibiscus is very easy, as you can see here. It has 4 petals. 1, 2, 3, and then you go in, go out again, and give it a little wiggle, and then like that. And we also want to have this right in the middle, with the little circles on top. And so now we use this beautiful bright acrylic paint, this red color, to paint the hibiscus flower. So now remember, we're working with paint and this is very delicate, right? Okay, it's very delicate and gentle, featherly strokes. When working with paper, don't use so much water. Use the paint directly like that. It will be brighter and the paper will hold better. Well, these little dots are also red. Here, red. Okay, now for our pistol, we're going to use some yellow paint. Again, try to be very delicate with the paper. Look how pretty that is. Okay, now we have our durian, we have our flower, our mangosteen. You can do some more designs on it. But so far it's looking good, right? You like it? Okay, And now it's dry, and this is how it looks. Look how the color ink behaves very capriciously. The colors mix with each other and they create their own pattern. You see how beautiful? This takes a little bit longer to dry, but these are all the different things that you can do with your fans and with your umbrella. I hope you had fun. Thanks.
ラッタリラ